Hey guys and girls, it's Daniel Walsh from Your Property or Wealth. Today I want to share with you a recent purchase that we just bought. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom double garage. Now we paid just $407,000 for this property. This property actually sold for $435,000 and fell through due to finance. We were able to secure this now for $407,000, so we had a huge saving for our clients. But a house just down the road is now on for offers over $459,000. So they're wanting around, say, $460,000 to $470,000 for the same house. With this property, we did need to paint, we did need to carpet it, so we needed to just do a general spruce up of the property. But for $7,000, we painted and carpeted the whole property, so the whole property owed us $414,000. Now this property is around 35 minutes from the CBD, and it's got good access to train stations, amenities and shopping centres just down the road. I want to take you through this property and just show you exactly what you get for around $414,000 in Brisbane, around 30 to 35 minutes from the CBD, and it's around about 20 k's from the CBD. Let's go check it out. So this property is being fully renovated. As you can see, this is the main bedroom here. We've got brand new paints, we've got a fan, we've got brand new carpets as well. So we've just done the stock standard for rental, where you've got sort of a cream paint where it's really hardy, and also a grey carpet where it's really easy wearing carpet for tenants. We've got the bathroom in here that's just a very stock standard bathroom with a walk-in wardrobe as well. So through here you've got your double lock-up garage, and it's also remote control as well. So here's your second bedroom. Again, you've got built-ins, you've got a fan, and you've also got an air conditioning as well, reverse cycle. This is your living area. So this is the second living area here. We've got brand new carpets, obviously paint, a fan as well. It's a very good sized living area. This is actually quite a big house for the area. A lot of these houses don't have the second living area. So when we purchased this property, it was vital that we had the second living area. So it had a bit of a point of difference when we were going to rent this property out, and also for resale. This is the dining area and the second living area, or the first living area in here. We've got just a very stock standard kitchen in here, but it's got your dishwasher, it's got your oven, it's got your cooktops in here, a very functional kitchen. Third and your fourth bedroom, again, both with built-ins. Again, both of these have built-ins. Both of these have air cons as well, so they've all got ACs in each bedroom as well, and every one of them's got a fan. Again, we've got the second bathroom in here, and also the laundry. So this property has an outdoor entertaining area, and also just beyond the back there also has soccer fields and AFL fields as well, for someone to, obviously kids, to go play on. This property is around $45,000 cheaper than comparable sales in the area. So this is a great bread and butter property, renting for $420 per week, giving us just over a 5.3% yield. So this is just a great property, an overall property for a foundation portfolio. If you like these sort of houses, please get into contact with us at info@ypyw.com.au. And until next time, guys, have a great day.